Hi, my name is Jyoti Bajaj, Radiant Child Facilitator and founder of the Yoga Kids Toronto, Canada.
And I'm Bridget Strama, founder of Child's Heart Yoga and Survive to Thrive Mamas from Baltimore, Maryland. And I am a Radiant Child Facilitator as well.
And together we are here to share information about our upcoming Chair Yoga workshop. It is a 5-hour online training designed for those who want to teach yoga to seniors and adults with limited mobility.
This workshop is open to all, whether you work with this population or you're looking to deepen your own practice. You will learn to teach a simple, complete yoga class with modifications to increase mobility and flexibility, all from a chair.
This workshop will equip you with the knowledge and understanding to enable you to teach adults in a chair with confidence. For more information and to register, please visit childrensyoga.com.
Thank you. See you soon.